Hello and welcome to Sardos's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. We cover all the topics for biotechnology paper, that is biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics. And this is the question number 56 from section 3. That means it is a numerical answer type questions. And in this type of questions, we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So let's get into the problem. Two identical infinite conducting plates are kept parallel to each other and are separated by a distance d. The uniform charge density is on the plate plus sigma and minus sigma, and the electric field at a point between the two plates is n sigma by epsilon naught. Hence, we need to find the value of n, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. So first we draw a picture regarding this scenario given in the question. So here we have the conducting plates. This is plus sigma, this is minus sigma. The distance between those two plates is d and it is the point P. The electric field at point P due to positive charge density plus sigma is E1, that is sigma divided by epsilon naught into A, and the electric field at point P due to negative charge density minus sigma is E2, which is minus sigma divided by epsilon naught A. Therefore, the net electric field is E, which is nothing but sigma divided by epsilon naught into A plus sigma divided by epsilon naught into A. So we have 2 sigma epsilon naught into A. Now comparing these two, that is 2 sigma divided by epsilon naught into A equals to n sigma divided by epsilon naught into A, we get the value of n is 2. So 2 is our required answer. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.